Today is Saturday. Wala kaming customer. Kaya paikot-ikot lang kami. Yan si Amir.
Yeah.
Ay, Amir, ¿qué pintas sabe al hen?
Sala.
Sabi
Sala.
sala. Sala. See? What did you do? Ada patatas.
Potato salad?
Carrots.
The jazzer.
Jazdar. Jazdar. Ito si Indiano. Hi, India. Miss India, what are you doing, Miss India? Huh? Just soaking the map. Mapi malo. Hi, Tita Jane. Tita Jane. Rock road, ha? Kukunin ka na ano.
Wow.
Pare, say hi.
Huh?
Say hi.
Ah.
I will take some video, and then I will see my family. This is the Alcituna.
Huh?
Alcituna store.
Good.
Yes, Alcituna. As the manager is here. As the manager.
Yes.
Yeah. Manager. Sir,
Okay.
say hi.
Hi.
Visa. Good, good. I will send this video to send to my country. Yes, this my friend in Alcituna, Pakistan, is huh?
Okay.
Turkey, Malis. What's your name, my friend?
Ah.
What's your name?
Mr. Muhammad.
Masa Muhammad. Allah, shukran.
On.
Ay, wada. Da shawarma. Shawarma.
N95?
Yes.
Ang pulot dahil na lang.
Alin na, mungkin 2,200.
1,200.
Abayan! Kung walang video kasi pauwi na ako eh. Yung wala sila ng video. Shukran. Apa siya pare? What's your name?
Pare.
Ikaw?
Mr. Shahid.
Mustasin. From?
Yeah.
Bangladesh, ha?
Yeah.
Bangladesh. Alay, shukran katir. I will come here again. January 10 ako. Ano order natin? First time customer namin. Ano order natin? Big tasty meal. Saka? Beef siya. Beef. Masarap yan. Lettuce. Seb! So yeah, can you continue while I'm taking order? Just take a photo.